Hi boys and girls. Yep, Matt from the Real Toy Shop here. And what have we got for you today? Look at this little beauty. So, for those of you just coming by, what on earth are you doing? Well, we're doing a one-hit walk round, no editing, all that good stuff of this Yamaha FS1-E Fizzy. Later model, but come and have a look round it. It's like, well, it's like new. So, where do we start? Little 50cc two-stroke, smells like heaven, of course it does. And the bike came to us in big box of bits. So, unfortunately, the chap who was restoring it, he unfortunately didn't get round to finish it before he came too ill, and it came to us in the box. So, engine completely rebuilt. Everything has been gone through. Frames been powder coated, casings have all been powder coated and everything. It's just so nice. I mean, look at it. Who can't fall in love with this? Now, I've had a blast about, and I'm a big lad. I'm not going to go into how big, but I'm big. And it was still enough there to make me absolutely giggle like a school kid. So, if you're after one of these, maybe even for your own lad, because of this sort of money that it's going to be, it's still sort of Chinese new bike money. And this thing, yeah, your young lad will learn to cut his teeth on one of these and get to work and everything else with a smile on his face like nothing on earth. 7,800 miles, if you can see that, and it's just absolutely lovely. Now, it also came with a red tank, red tailpiece, and that was it really, because that's all there is to it, isn't it? So we were umming and ahhing, do we do it red, do we do it blue? Well, the blue just seemed to be the one. I think the blue was a bit better condition as well, so this is what we've got. But all the chrome, everything on the bike. Get on there, focus, you beast. There you go, look at that. Just look at it. Yeah. Looks well, doesn't it? So, it's all been reassembled. A good friend of mine did it for me. I can't take the credit. He did an absolutely fantastic job. And everything on it is just ready to go. I mean, exhaust, everything. Most of it was new, replaced, whatever. I don't know if you can tell by markings, you know. I'm not a big Yamaha aficionado. I know people get all peculiar over screws and stuff like that. Not so much me. I just like to see the thing go and be going down the road and making everybody smile. So, you know, you might want to pull it to pieces for this incorrect, that incorrect, the other incorrect. I don't care. So if you're going to send me those messages, just be in mind that I don't care. But I like to listen to them anyway. So any of your comments and stuff, drop them down below. And you regular guys who are often dropping comments, thank you so much. It does help. It does help build the channel. So get your comments down below. Tell us what you think. I know this is a later model. It's got no pedals on it. We know that much. They're better. We know that much. But, you know, this is what it is. We can't all have the ones with pedals, can we? Some of us have got to have these ones. And let's be honest, it's stunning. And it's not going to be as much money, is it? So, there you go. If you want this thing delivering, we always prefer you come and look at old classic bikes and stuff, but if you want it delivering, I'd happily deliver it. And that's what we do, isn't it? Now, part exchanges, I don't really want to be taking part exchanges on this, or, you know, looking at knackered scooters and one thing and another, or projects or anything like that. If you've got something interesting and you want to change, and, you know, I'll have a look. So go to the website, Part X form is on there, and that'll teach you, won't teach you anything, but it'll tell you everything you need to know about Part Xing. Basically, it's just a form to fill in, and I have a look and see what you've got. Come on, fat camera, you never focus on that for me. Come on, there you go. So that's where the website is. We won't be doing finance or anything on a bike like this. It's just too old, and it's just a little bit too much for the finance company to deal with, really. They don't really understand this type of thing, do they? So, but delivery is free. Come and have a look at it. We'll bring it on another day, or if you fancy just, you know, coming up here and riding it home to the top of Scotland, that's entirely up to you. But, you know, if you need it delivering on a rainy day, come in your car and we'll take it for you. So we're not stopping you coming to have a look, but if you're right down in Cornwall or something like that, may well be our dedicated motorcycle courier instead of me. I like to try and get my grumpy face around and do the deliveries, but top of Scotland, bottom of Cornwall, stuff like that, obviously I can't just put this in a van. It's not viably economical, viable, whatever you call it. So it'll be our dedicated motorcycle courier. I'm sure there's loads of people loving this, because I am. And they want to hear it make a noise, don't they? Yeah, and I'm going to make it make a noise in a minute. So, but before we make it make a noise, so we've got all that good stuff out of the way, the part X's, the finance we aren't doing, the delivery and all that good stuff. But before we make it make a noise, if you do need to ask someone to have this, your mum, your dad, your mother, your brother, your lover, your sister, anyone, your missus, if it's your missus, ask your missus first. Do that first, and we'll have a good chat to you about everything we've got for the bike and everything else. No problem at all, but get your permission first. We hate them conversations where they just go on and right at the end they go, you've got to ask me missus. Yeah, of course you have. Boring. Yeah, anyway, that's me rant over, sorry. Look at them, they're all original. No one swapped them. That's the mad thing. Because they're like a barn door, aren't they, them things? But they are what they are. They're original to the bike. So, yeah. Your little petrol cap there, look. Yamaha sign in it. Did I show you that? I did show you that, so I showed you that. I've showed you everything, look, haven't I? But what we haven't seen is it run. So, I'm going to attempt to kick this with one leg whilst filming. So this is going to be interesting, isn't it? So, let's go. Let's have a whittle. See if we can do it. So I'll do it backwards or something, shall I? Let's have a go. Now, what you can't do... That's choke off. I've killed it. Put choke off too early. Sorry about that. What you can't do is smell it. Yes, come on, you beast. So I'm just putting you there a sec. There you go. Oh, nearly. But you get the drift, and my God, it smells of perfume in here now. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, takes me right back, that. Takes me right back. It smells. If you had smell-o-vision, trust me, there's no way on earth you wouldn't be buying this bike. So, let's step back, admire it in the movie effects that it's just done for itself. All right, what can we do for you on this bike? Well, Matt, I need it. I need it now. Yeah, of course you do, because I do as well, actually. I'm debating whether to sell this, but it's up. So, number one, if you've got a Part X, don't want any projects, don't want any Chinese scooters, don't want any scooters, just something interesting. So, if you've got one, you know where to go. Website, fill in the Part X form. Number two, we won't be doing any finance. Number three, let's get it paid for, get it in a van and get it to you as quick as we can. Can't say fairer, can we? Drop any comments about the bike below. And you know what to do if you liked it, or you want to see more of the same. You know how to do that. YouTube thinks you might like that video, or that playlist, which might have a load of road trips in it. And that one, boom, that's the one you press to subscribe, and it costs you nothing. So I'm out of here, and I'll see you on the next one.